Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today what we have in the shop is yet another Volkswagen Mk8 GTI in for our IPE exhaust upgrades, and also we have the MST cold air intake, as well as we will install a Turbosmart blow-off valve for the car. So this GTI right over here is actually another Edition 50 limited edition unit. So this makes the second edition 50 Golf GTI in our shop, and that's 2 out of 50 units in Malaysia that we have our hands on. Right over here, as you can see, we have already removed the factory exhaust system out from the GTI, and basically we are just going to replace the Catback section. And on the other side, this is the IPE Catback system for the GTI, as well as we have this beautiful MST cold air intake. These are the version 2 with better flow, better performance for the EA888 engine. So now let's talk a little bit about the differences between the factory system and the IPE system. So first of all, on this factory Catback section, as you can see, there is a very huge and long and restrictive center resonator on the mid pipe. Then to the rear, we have this very huge muffler box on the GTI. So basically with this factory exhaust on the GTI, it doesn't sound loud at all for such a pocket rocket. And to the other hand, this is the IPE Catback system that we are going to install. What we have here, IPE has totally redesigned the entire exhaust system in order to give the car the maximum performance and also the sound. So this IPE system, on the middle section, that actually deletes the center resonator that has on the factory system. And on the rear section, that removes the very huge rear muffler box, but instead they place the Valvetronic muffler on the middle part. So this is the IPE Valvetronic muffler. As you can see, the valves are located right over here. Also, IPE did apply a layer of this high temperature heat protection on the muffler box itself. So with the IPE exhaust installed, you can have full control over the valves function. When the valves are fully open, the exhaust gas flow will go through these larger pipes, directly exits from the tailpipes, and when the valves are closed, it actually went through these smaller pipes and flows into the muffler before it exits from the rear, so that with the valves closed, the car will sound a little bit more quiet, and when it is fully open, it will sound very loud and aggressive on the Golf GTI. As for the exhaust tips, right over here, you can see that these are the optional chrome black exhaust tips that the owner decided to go with instead of the standard chrome silver tips. So these tips looks absolutely beautiful with the IPE logo crafted on the tips itself. And if you compare it against the factory tips, definitely this IPE tips looks way better, and also is a lot larger compared to the factory tips, which is very boring, I would say. And when we have these tips installed on the car, definitely it will look better, as the larger tips, it actually fills up the gap between the diffuser. For our clients GTI project, we are also going to install this Turbosmart dual port blow-off valve, as well as this beautiful MST performance cold air intake for the GTI. So this is a version 2, a revised version from MST performance, that it offers better airflow, better performance for the EA888 engine. So as you can see, there is an intake box that fully covers the cone filter that will be placed inside. And with this box, it actually provides better cooling effect and more cool air into the engine bay. So that's all for the product explanation part, and now we will get back to work to install the IPE exhaust, the blow-off valve and the MST intake onto the Golf GTI. And once we're done installing all the parts, of course we will have a sound check to listen how does this IPE catback system performs on the GTI, how much louder it is compared to the factory exhaust system, which basically sounds very quiet and sounds like a vacuum cleaner, I would say. So right over here we have the factory intake removed from the car and put it side by side to do a little bit of comparison with the MST performance intakes. So first of all, these factory intakes, we have the factory intake air ducts, and also being a factory intake, of course you will expect to have this very standard factory air filters for the intake, then also the factory intake hose, and right over here this is the MST performance intake air ducts, of course with a larger hole on the air duct that allows more cold air to go into the intake box right over here. And later we will have this open port filter fitted in the intake box so that you will have all the cold air feeded into the engine bay by this intake hose. And obviously this MST intake hose is way larger diameter compared to the factory intake hose, so that with this MST cold air intake installed, it will provide better performance for the EA888 engines. So according to MST performance, with this version 2 intake installed on the EA888 engine, you will get around 12 horsepower and about 17 Newton meters of torque increase over the factory intake, so that it improves the performance of the car and also it gives you a louder intake suction noise. Right over here on my hand, we have the factory blow-off valve taken out from the GTI, and also we have installed this Turbosmart compact dual port blow-off valve. So this is a fully plug and play blow-off valve. There's no any modifications needed. Basically you just remove this factory blow-off valve and plug in the Turbosmart blow-off valve and you are good to go. So with the Turbosmart blow-off valve, of course you will get a louder blow-off sound whenever you release the throttle, so it sounds really good on the EA888 engine. Now we will talk a little bit more about this very exclusive Edition 50 Mark 8 Golf GTI. So as you may know, this is only limited to 50 units only for Malaysian market, so making it one of the most exclusive Golf GTI that you can buy. And what are the key differences between the standard GTI and this Edition 50? So first of all the Edition 50 Golf GTI, there comes with this beautiful Oettinger body kit as a standard package from the factory. So you will have the roof spoiler, the rear diffuser, the side skirt, and also the front skirt painted in gloss black. Then also we have this 18-inch Pretoria wheels finished in gloss black color. Also these beautiful wheel caps for the Edition 50 Golf GTI, as well as the brake calipers are painted in red color. Then to the side you can see this number 50 emblem to show that this is a limited 50 units Edition 50 Golf GTI. And also you will have this Edition 50 door sills for all the Edition 50 Golf GTI. So the rest of the car is basically same as the standard Golf GTI, just that with all this upgrade and also the limited number of 50 units only for Malaysian market, making it very special and exclusive. So we have completed the installation of our IPE Catback exhaust system on this Golf GTI, as well as installed the blow-off valve alongside with the MST Performance co-air intake. Let us know in the comment section below, what do you think about this IPE exhaust? How does it sound on the Mk8 Golf GTI? And also, how does the blow-off valve and the MST Performance co-air intake sounds on the EA 888 engine? If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.